In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Power BI when you hit the limit. Start by opening your Power BI app on your desktop and head into one of your reports. Once you're there, look at the visual you want to export. At the top of that chart, you'll see the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click that and choose Export Data. If your data set is large, you'll likely see a pop-up telling you that your data exceeds the limit. That message simply means Power BI Desktop can't export everything directly from here. Don't worry, there's a straightforward workaround using Publish. To proceed, go to the upper ribbon in Power BI Desktop and click Publish. You'll be asked to choose a workspace. Pick the workspace where you want this report to live, then click Select to confirm. Power BI will upload the report to the service. This step moves your report to the web, where the export limits are more flexible for visuals. Once publishing finishes, open the same Power BI report in your browser. You can do this from the confirmation in desktop or by navigating to your workspace in the Power BI web service. When the report loads on the web, go back to the visual you want to export. Again, click the three dots above the chart to open the options and select Export Data. Here's an important choice. If the visual you're exporting is a table and you want to keep the same columns, sorting, and the current filters exactly as you see them, choose Data with Current Layout. This preserves the on-screen structure, which is especially helpful for tables you've formatted to match a report-ready view. After selecting that option, click Export. Power BI will generate your file, usually as a CSV or Excel file, depending on your organization's settings, and download it to your computer. If your visual is not a table or a matrix, say it's a bar chart, line chart, or another type of visual, choose Summarize Data. This option exports the aggregated values behind the visual, reflecting your filters and slices, without attempting to recreate a table layout that doesn't exist. Once you select Summarize Data, click Export, and your file will download. That's all you need. By publishing your report to the web service and exporting from there, you can work around the desktop export limit and get exactly the data you need, either with the current layout for tables or in summarized form for other visuals.